Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving into a compact cooking solution that promises versatility and convenience for small kitchens and busy individuals. We're talking about the Topwit Hot Pot Electric with Steamer, a 1.5-liter ramen cooker that also functions as a non-stick sauté pan. Right off the bat, this little cooker grabs your attention with its charming pink color. But beyond its aesthetic appeal, what truly sets it apart is its multi-use capability. It comes with a detachable 304 stainless steel steamer basket. This means you can steam your vegetables or dumplings above while simultaneously boiling noodles or simmering a stew below. The brand emphasizes that this dual functionality helps retain essential vitamins and nutrients, promising a rich flavor in your dishes. For anyone who values both nutrition and flavor, this is a significant selling point. One of the most impressive features is the dual power setting. This Topwit electric pot offers two distinct power levels, 250 watts on low and 600 watts on high. The low setting is perfect for more delicate tasks like preparing oatmeal, cooking spaghetti, making pancakes, or even just boiling an egg. When you need more oomph for searing steak, cooking salmon, sautéing ingredients, or enjoying a proper hot pot experience, you can switch to the higher 600-watt setting. This level of control is fantastic for a portable appliance, allowing for a wider range of culinary creations. The capacity is 1.5 liters, which the manufacturer states is ideal for 1 to 2 people. With a diameter of about 7 inches and a depth of just over 5 inches, its dimensions make it incredibly space-saving. This portability is a major draw. It's designed to be easily stored and carried, making it a fantastic option for dorm rooms, RVs, travel, small apartments, hotel rooms, and even camping trips. If you're frequently on the go or have limited kitchen space, this could be a game changer. When it comes to the cooking surface, Topwit uses what they call a healthy non-stick coating. The pot itself is made of BPA-free, high-strength stainless steel. The upgraded non-stick surface is designed to prevent food from sticking, which not only makes cooking more enjoyable but also significantly simplifies cleanup. For health-conscious consumers, the mention of BPA-free materials and a non-toxic, environmentally friendly surface is reassuring. Safety is also a priority with this appliance. It features what they call advanced circular embedded heating technology for even heat distribution, aiming to prevent burning. More importantly, it incorporates dual safety protection systems. There's built-in overheat protection and a dry boil prevention system. This means the cooker will automatically cut off power if it detects that it's boiling dry or if it overheats. This is a crucial feature that eliminates potential safety hazards and provides peace of mind during use. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the pros side, the multi-use functionality with the steamer is a standout feature, offering a lot of cooking potential in one small unit. The dual power settings provide excellent flexibility for different types of meals. Its compact size and light weight make it incredibly portable and easy to store, ideal for small living spaces or travel. The non-stick coating and the emphasis on BPA-free materials are also significant advantages for both convenience and health. Furthermore, the integrated safety features like overheat and dry boil protection are essential and well implemented. However, there are a few considerations. The 1.5-liter capacity, while perfect for 1 or 2 people, might be too small for families or larger gatherings. While the dual power settings are great, the jump from 250 watts to 600 watts might not offer every single precise temperature control needed for advanced cooking techniques. The non-stick coating, while a benefit, will eventually wear down over time with heavy use, which is a common issue with most non-stick surfaces. In conclusion, the Topwit Hot Pot Electric with Steamer is a compelling option for anyone seeking a versatile, compact, and safe cooking appliance. It excels in its ability to steam and cook simultaneously, offers flexible power options for various dishes, and is designed with portability and user safety in mind. For students, solo dwellers, travelers, or anyone with a small kitchen, this could be an invaluable addition to their culinary arsenal. Link in the description.